When we start with Lego classes, we need to know the names of the pieces. The reason for this is that if I ask you to take a piece out and follow me when we are building, you need to know what I'm talking about, correct? So follow me for the names of the first few pieces. First, we will take a look at this brick. We call it a 2x4 brick because there are 2 rows of 4 studs each. Studs are these buttons on top. There are no holes on the side and there are no holes on the studs. That is why it is called a brick. A 2x4 brick, this one. Now we look at this one. It has holes on the side and the studs have holes on top. So this is called a beam. A 4 beam because it has 4 studs. Look careful, it has only 3 holes but 4 studs on top. So this is called a 4 beam. Axles are measured according to the length of the beam. This axle are 4 studs long, so this is a 4 axle. This next one is also a beam. Because it has 3 holes and no studs, we will count the holes. So this is called a 3 beam. You will note in your box that beams with studs on top are always in even numbers, like a 2 beam, 4 beam, 6, 8, 10, etc. But the beams that do not have studs on top are in uneven numbers, like the 3 beam, 5 beam, 7 beam, 9, 11, etc. This is a round brick. It has 2 rows of 2 studs. There are no holes on top or on the side, so it is a 2x2 round brick. The plates are flat, and if you put 3 on top of each other, it will be just as high as the bricks or the beams. This one is a 2x4 plate. Just as the brick above, 2 rows of 4 studs, just flat. So this is a 2x4 plate. By now you should be able to guess the name of the next one. A 1x4 plate. There's 1 row of 4 studs each. The next one is a bushing or a stopper. It will help you to strengthen your beams and axles. This grey connector peg allows for movement, allowing things to move like swings or seesaws. This black connector peg allows for more friction, making structures stronger. You will see it has a slit in the middle that makes it stronger. This long black peg or blue peg is used when they need to make things stronger as well. You can put 1 beam on the one side and 2 beams on the other side. And lastly for today, an axle peg is something that has a peg on one side and an axle on the other side.